Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG 2.2. 1. Perceivable. 1.1. Text alternatives. 1.1.1. Non-text content. 1.2. Time-based media. 1.2.1. Audio only and video only pre-recorded. 1.2.2. Captions pre-recorded. 1.2.3. Audio description or media alternative pre-recorded. 1.2.4. Captions live. 1.2.5. Audio description pre-recorded. 1.2.6. Sign language pre-recorded. 1.2.7. Extended audio description pre-recorded. 1.2.8. Media alternatives pre-recorded. 1.2.9. Audio only live. 1.3. Adaptable. 1.3.1. Info and relationships. 1.3.2. Meaningful sequence. 1.3.3. Sensory characteristics. 1.3.4. Orientation. 1.3.5. Identify input purpose. 1.3.6. Identify purpose. 1.4. Distinguishable. 1.4.1. Use of color. 1.4.2. Audio control. 1.4.3. Contrast minimum. 1.4.4. Resize text. 1.4.5. Images of text. 1.4.6. Contrast enhanced. 1.4.7. Low or no background audio. 1.4.8. Visual presentation. 1.4.9. Images of text, no exception. 1.4.10. Reflow. 1.4.11. Non-text contrast. 1.4.12. Text spacing. 1.4.13. Content on hover or focus. 2. Operable. 2.1. Keyboard accessible. 2.1.1. Keyboard. 2.1.2. No keyboard trap. 2.1.3. Keyboard no exception. 2.1.4. Character key shortcuts. 2.2. Enough time. 2.2.1. Timing adjustable. 2.2.2. Pause, stop, hide. 2.2.3. No timing. 2.2.4. Interruptions. 2.2.5. Re-authenticating. 2.2.6. Timeouts. 2.3. Seizures and physical reactions. 2.3.1. 3 flashes or below threshold. 2.3.2. 3 flashes. 2.3.3. Animation from interactions. 2.4. Navigable. 2.4.1. Bypass blocks. 2.4.2. Page titled. 2.4.3. Focus order. 2.4.4. Link purpose in context. 2.4.5. Multiple ways. 2.4.6 Headings and Labels, 2.4.7 Focus Visible, 2.4.8 Location, 2.4.9 Link Purpose, Link Only, 2.4.10 Section Headings, 2.4.11 Focus Not Obscured, Minimum, 2.4.12 Focus Not Obscured, Enhanced, 2.4.13 Focus Appearance. 2.5 Input Modalities, 2.5.1 Pointer Gestures, 2.5.2 Pointer Cancellation, 2.5.3 Label in Name, 2.5.4 Motion Actuation, 2.5.5 Target Size Enhanced, 2.5.6 Concurrent Input Mechanisms, 2.5.7 Dragging Movements, 2.5.8 Target Size Minimum. 3. Understandable. 3.1 Readable. 3.1.1 Language of Page, 3.1.2 Language of Parts, 3.1.3 Unusual Words, 3.1.4 Abbreviations, 3.1.5 Reading Level, 3.1.6 Pronunciation, 3.2 Predictable, 3.2.1 On Focus, 3.2.2 On Input, 3.2.3 Consistent Navigation, 3.2.4 Consistent Identification, 3.2.5 Change on Request, 3.2.6 Consistent Help, 3.3 Input Assistance, 3.3.1 Error Identification, 3.3.2 Labels or Instructions, 3.3.3 Error Suggestion, 3.3.4 Error Prevention, Legal, Financial, Data, 3.3.5 Help, 3.3.6 Error Prevention, All, 3.3.7 Redundant Entry, 3.3.8 Accessible Authentication Minimum, 3.3.9 Accessible Authentication Enhanced. 4. Robust. 4.1 Compatible, 4.1.1 Parsing, Obsolete and Removed, 4.1.2 Name, Role, Value, 4.1.3 Status Messages,